Welcome back guys. So I have extensively reviewed this product, that is Sonus 1000 XM4s, and here's my detailed feedback with all the pros and cons of each and every feature of this product. So I would be covering the build quality, the noise cancellation, the sound quality, the microphone quality, the user convenience in this video. So I have done the in-depth analysis and would be my detailed feedback. So let's get started. By the way, this is Vikram and you're watching Techno Tumble. XM4s come with this basic finish, but it looks quite good when we are wearing them. This is because this is a minimalistic design and it looks very good. So secondly, there is this very tiny detailing. For example, you can see that here is the Sony logo along with the detailing. It is the Sony has spent a plenty amount of time in the detailing of these headphones. Also, the padding of these headphones is very good and it is quite comfortable when we are wearing them. Along with this, there is a proximity sensor in the headphones which detects that whenever we are wearing the headphones or not. So whenever we are wearing these headphones, they cover our ears and they are so much comfortable that I can wear it for like 5 to 6 hours straight and I don't feel anything. And so the comfort level is very good in these headphones. Next, let's talk about the feature for which they have been selling a lot, that is industry leading noise cancellation. So noise cancellation on these headphones is very good. Like they block almost 80 to 90% of the background noise depending upon the frequency and pitch of the sound. For example, if there is steady sound of the cars, the traffic, or whenever you are traveling in an aeroplane, so they will minimize it to the extent of 80%. But for high frequency sounds, for example, if something fell down on the ground and produces a loud noise, so that would pass through these headphones and it would just reduce them to around 30 to 40%. So in the sudden burst of sounds, I would say that these headphones sometimes they do lack in processing that noise. But for the steady sounds which are continuously coming, these headphones are able to these headphones are able to evaluate them and reduce them and remove them in a very efficient manner. So here's the sound test of the headphones. So I'm going to simulate the noise cancellation of these headphones in different conditions. First of all, we will start, as you can see that there's no noise in the room and we can't hear anything. So now I am in a cafe and you can see that. So I have now simulated the sounds that you will hear in the cafe. So let's see that how the passive noise cancellation of these headphones work. As you can see that now there is passive noise cancellation of the headphones.
Noise cancelling.
So as you can see that now the passive noise cancellation is working. Now let me turn on the noise cancellation of the headphones.
Noise cancelling.
Now we'll move passive noise.
Ambient sound control off.
Now let's move to the cafe sounds. Now let's again turn on noise cancellation.
Noise cancelling.
So let's talk about the sound quality, and there's only one word that I would say about these headphones. That is mind blowing or excellent. They are able to handle each and every type of sound very efficiently. So quote my line, they are able to excellently handle mids, lows and highs. Like you can throw anything on these headphones and they would work seamlessly. I have done there is also dedicated Sonic Connect app, and there's different equalizer settings. I have I have tested it on the no equalizer, in which there is just custom default settings, and they were sounding great. But since I'm a bass lover, I just enabled them to the clear bass, and now I would say that they are giving me a theater like experience. When I am wearing the headphones, I get lost in the world of when I'm wearing the headphones, I get lost in the world of sound, the music. They are excellent. So I think the type of sound quality that you get with these headphones cannot be matched. So I would say that sound quality is very good, and it is one of the best in the market. The highs, the lows and mids, they are very excellent, and this product is able to handle everything. You can throw anything to it and it will just play them seamlessly. Now let's talk about the microphone quality. These headphones have a 5 microphone system, and Sony say that they have a precise voice pickup technology that will know that whenever that you are speaking or not, and they will know that you are speaking, and it will just pick up your voice and cancel out the background noise. The previous unit that I bought had a poor mic system, and it just other end was not able to hear me because they no voice, like they used to send the background noise and block out my voice. So I think that there was a fault in some of its mic system. I called for the replacement unit and I got them, and this is the one with these are the new replaced unit, and I would say that they have a very average microphone quality. Like me, I mean, this means that they are going to serve your purpose. They are not great, they are not bad, but they do serve the purpose. So you can take your office calls or talk to your friend without any issues with these headphones. The Boss have the best microphone quality, but these are also good. So I would rate them 8 out of 10 or 7.5. So here is the mic test of these headphones, and you can just analyze it yourself where that if these are good or not.
So this is the mic test of Sony 1000 XM4 in quiet environment. Now I'm going to quote a line. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light. So tell me guys, how does the mic sound? So this is the mic test of Sony 1000 XM4 with the background noise. The noise that I'm giving is a simulation of the similar sound that you will receive while sitting in a cafe. So now I'm going to quote a line. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the light. So let me know guys, what do you think about this background noise suppression?
Now let's talk about the user experience. These headphones come with the Sony Connect app, which provides us a ton of options. First, there is a toggle of noise cancellation where you can stop the noise cancellation. You will just have the passive noise cancellation from these headphones. Next, you can turn on the noise cancellation, which will block out each and every sound from the outside world. Then there is the option to reduce the wind noise reduction, which will just block out the wind noise along with the noise cancellation. If you are going on a cycle, then this feature comes very handy. Then there are different level of ambient sound control from 0 to 20, which will help you to pick up this voice from the outside world and route it through the headphones so that you are able to hear each and everything very clearly. Now next feature is the speak to chat. So speak to chat feature means that if you are just listening to music and you just start talking, they will just pause the music and turn on the ambient control, sound control to 20. This means that you will able to hear the outside world very clearly, and if you're talking to someone, you will be able to talk to them seamlessly. So like if I'm just, but they also, the best thing is that these headphones know that whenever I'm talking, because if someone else near to you is speaking or talking to someone else, these headphones won't turn on ambient noise control. So if you are just listening to music and just say hey, hello, hi there, these headphones will just reduce the volume of the music to very low level and enable the ambient sound control so that you are able to chat with them. And also you can set a timing interval for which you want to resume their music. For example, you can resume the music after 5 minutes, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or you can turn it back on manually. The disadvantage of this feature is that if you are just, I'm listening to the music and just say, I just start singing or rhyming like, they will again turn on the speak to chat feature, which is like causes very much inconvenience to me. Next, I would talk about the very best feature that I like, that these headphones have the proximity sensor inbuilt. So here is the proximity sensor on the left ear canal. So this proximity sensor detects whenever I'm wearing a headphones or not. So if I'm wearing headphones, I am listening to music, I remove them to talk to someone, they will just pause the music, and when I just wear them again, I get so lost in the world of music. Cool, right? Yes, that is a cool feature. Another cool feature is that if you just remove them, place it here or on the table, they will just power off after 15 minutes, which will help you to save the battery. Talking about the battery, they have a very good battery backup. These are rated to last 30 hours with noise cancellation on. I have been taking the calls with this, like I have done a calling for 6 to 7 hours straight in a day, and I would say with noise cancellation on and with voice calling, they last for around 19 to 20 hours. I haven't tested them without the noise cancellation, with the noise cancellation off, because I like whenever noise cancellation is on, because I get lost in the world of music and I am unable to hear anything. This feature also comes handy, noise cancellation, when I am talking to someone else, because I am unable to hear a disturbance from the outside world. Next, another thing that I would like to add in my testing, I found that if I am just talking to someone and I'm wearing the headphones, so if I just remove the headphones and play they will just turn off the Bluetooth calling and the voice will start coming up from my mobile device. So this is very handy, like if I'm talking to someone from the headphones and I just want to place my headphones down and talk to my phone, so they will know that, and they are going to seamlessly like switch to the like they are going to seamlessly switch to the voice calling to the mobile device, and you can talk from the phone. So I just pick up my phone and talk to my friends. But the disadvantage is here that if I'm just talking to someone, someone came here just to talk to me, I just remove them just to hear to them, and I just can't place them back because I have to go to the call and turn on Bluetooth, means Bluetooth calling from it. So that causes a lot of inconvenience. Next, they also have multi-device pairing. Yes guys, multi-device pairing, which we have been waiting for a long time. I connect to my laptop and my mobile device seamlessly. Like there are some devices which think that from which you can just enable a primary and secondary device, and you are just able to take calls from one device and you can watch movies from the other device. But with these headphones, they are very smart that they know which which device you are using. So if I am playing the music in one device, then I pause the music from one device and play it from the other device. These are able to seamlessly switch to that device, and I am able to hear the music from or audio or video from that device. Also, if I have got a call from one device, I just pick it up, and when I disable that call, and if I call from the other, like from a laptop, they know that I am calling from the laptop. So these headphones, so in short, these headphones are able to seamlessly switch between the devices. Also, these headphones support 360 reality audio. They give 1 year free trial, and I would say that it's just a gimmick, and I think that they sound pretty great like this only, and there are very few apps that support 360 reality audio, so let's leave it to side for that sometime. We will get back to it once there are more apps supporting them. So next question is, should you update them from XM3s? If you are having XM3s, there is just one good reason to upgrade if you want a good microphone quality. This is because XM3s had a poor mic quality, and these have the like good microphone quality. Other side is able to hear you loud and clear and crisply. For the noise cancellation and sound quality, there's a very minimal difference because I have used XM3s and I have sold them now. So there is very minimal difference. So if you are just want to watch to music and movies, or listening to the songs, or you want to have just fun with the noise cancellation, then you are very good with XM3s. Don't upgrade, I'm telling you guys. If you want the microphone quality, then you go for XM4s. So this was the detailed feedback of 1000 XM4s. If you have any queries, please ping it down in the comment section. I'm definitely going to reply you back. So hope this review answers all your questions and will help you to make your decision whether to buy these headphones or not. So guys, please like to this video and subscribe, and please press the bell icon because these things really keep me motivated. And till then, see you, bye bye, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.